Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. This video is kind of different, still POV. Kind of weird though. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but I'm just gonna wash my car here. It's like a car wash thingy where you go yourself, you know, you wash your car yourself. But my car, it looks clean on video, but it is pretty dirty. It's not even, look at that. Yeah, it's very dirty. So I don't know, I'm just gonna give you guys like a POV of me washing it. Like, I'm actually gonna wear my head mount thing that I use for the driving POVs, so you guys can actually see it from my POV, you know. So yeah, I'll just pay for it and go in there and show you guys what's up. But I've never been at this car wash before. There's a sick Porsche. That guy's really chill. He was washing his car just now, but I'm just gonna rinse it off first. I'm gonna do the interior, but they have the vacuums like outside, so I'm just gonna rinse my car off first. I always rinse it off before I put soap on it, and then I'm just gonna bring it outside for the interior. But I'll just show you guys. I'm not sure how good you guys can see it. It should be a pretty interesting POV. It's done. So now I know how long it takes. I might just put an extra $3 in there, or I don't even know, because it's $3 for like rinse, and then you pay $3 more for soap. But I didn't finish the front. I might just put the soap on it though, and then I'll just rinse the mats off after. So at least I have an idea of how long it takes. I think I put the water again. I don't even know. Nah, that's soap. That's soap for sure. Nah, there's no stud. I can put some foam though, I think. Yeah, like I can select this option. So I'll just do it again. I'll just take out some more money from it. Maybe this is gonna give me a lot of soap. I don't know. It's my first time here, you know, so might as well try it to see what's up. Oh, I think that's a little bit more. I don't even remember. Hopefully that works. Because the guy told me that was like $5. I might have just fucked it up. Oh shit. It's over here. I don't know what I was thinking. Damn. The thing was on this whole time. Just wasting. Damn. The guy said the more money you put, the longer the time is. So maybe that's why the foam lasted that long. So I just got like $5 more. So I'm just gonna rinse it. I'm just gonna put like, I might just do the whole 5 to be honest, because to rinse it, I'm gonna need a good amount of time, you know? I'm just gonna put like the whole 5 to rinse it. 'Cause there's like no one takes as long as me in here, because the guy just pulled in and he's already done. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna do the interior, like I'm not gonna vacuum it or anything. I just like wiped it down with a rag, so you guys can see it's not really dirty. It's pretty clean. My interior is never very dirty either way, so you know, that's good. But I'm just gonna use my tire shine. This one is so bad though, but it's all I got. Aren't too bad, but you know, the interior isn't the nice part. It's really the exterior that's super clean. The car looks so good. I just pulled up to this little spot. I just think it'll look nice here, but that's what it's looking like. Yeah, it's just clean. It looks so good in this little spot right here. Probably take a reel too. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty sick. It's just like behind the car wash. But looking pretty clean. Tire shiner. It's not, the tire shiner isn't that bad. It's just, it's not as good as the other ones, you know, the ones that like shine right away. But yeah, car's looking pretty clean. Let me know how you guys like this video. Yes, it's like a POV, but it's just not me driving, you know, it's just me washing the car. I thought it's kind of cool. Some people might want to see it. I don't know. So if you guys like it, let me know in the comments. But yeah, for you guys who don't know what car I have, it's a 2012 BMW F30 335i, stage 2 plus. I am lower than H&R Super Sport Springs. I got wheel spacers, 15 in the back, 12 in the front. And yeah, this is pretty much my car. I love this car. But thank you guys for watching this video. You know, nothing crazy, like I said, just a little wash POV, something like that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want to see any other like specific kind of videos. Just feel free to leave it in the comment. I will see it and I'll respond as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video again, like I said, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.